Welcome to this short, guided meditation for inner peace and calm. My name is Tony Myers, and I'll be your guide on this journey. This is your moment to pause, to relax, and to recharge so you can return to your day refreshed and revitalized. Let's begin. Just find a comfortable, seated meditation posture or sit upright in your chair with your feet grounded. Then feel the connection of your meditation posture with the earth. Then guide your awareness to the base of your meditation posture and feel it grounding and being supported by the earth. Then we'll start to lengthen the crown up into a blue sky above. Relax your shoulders back and down to open up your heart, and gently rest your hands in your lap. And then simply guide your awareness to your whole body. Just become aware of your whole body. And just take this moment for yourself to pause, relax, and just be right here now. Then kindly shift your attention to your breath at the nostrils. And just start to breathe in through the nose and welcome in a sense of inner peace and calmness. And as you breathe out, just feel a sense of releasing and letting go. And then we'll take 5 easy conscious breaths in this manner. Inhaling, welcoming in peace and calmness. Exhaling, relaxing, letting go. Next, we'll just simply shift our awareness back to our body, and then imagine a wave of relaxation flowing into your feet, your legs, your hip. Then feel just a pure wave of relaxation just flowing into the abdomen, your chest, your shoulders. And then imagine that wave of gentle relaxation just flowing into your arms, shoulders, the neck, your face, your head. Then we start to feel that gentle relaxation just flowing into every cell of the body. Every cell of your body. The gentle relaxation is flowing into the whole body, the whole body. And then we'll just return our awareness back to the breath. And now we just watch the breath. Notice as you inhale, cool air flows in. And notice as you exhale, just warm air flows out. Then we'll just take 5 conscious breaths, being aware of your breath. Allow your mind to relax and settle. It's okay if you think. Let the mind think and just breathe. So we'll take 5 breaths, just observing the breath, allowing the breath gently relax and unwind, and allowing your mind to become more quieter, peaceful, and spacious. Perfect. Now we'll just slowly bring our awareness back to the whole body in our meditation posture. Just feeling the weight of the body in the meditation posture. Noticing all the sounds in your room. Just returning back to the breath. And then we'll slowly just remember the space we're in. And then we'll slowly start to just move the body, and we'll return feeling calmer, peaceful, relaxed, and refreshed and revitalized.